everybody, welcome back to IP Farms. Well, we got a lot done over the weekend. Hopefully you all watched the videos. Down here at the brush pile, a buddy of mine wants to keep this few smaller oak trees here. I'm going to work on cutting the limbs off of them right quick so I can get them out of my way. I've got two more big trees up here that I left over the weekend, and might get a little shot of that, get those down, and then that'll wrap up the clearing on the tree line. So might bring along for a little bit of this chainsaw in here. Okay, see what we can do. I'm sure since I turned the camera on, the saw's not going to start, or I'm going to pinch it first thing in the tree or whatever, but thought I'd get a little bit of it. A little Husqvarna 268 picked up from a guy I work with, pretty cheap, does pretty good, medium sized saw. See what it'll do. Okay, we got a few firewood pieces cut up enough where I can get it pushed out of the way. So these are the only two big trees left. Again, it's some of the biggest ones I've had to deal with yet here in the clearing of the field. So one to the left is a pin oak, going to have a really tremendous root system on it, and the other one, I'm not sure, it's some kind of walnut, I believe. But let's see how it goes, see how long it takes me. I'll have to dig around them quite a while, but thought I might bring you along for the last couple here. Well, we finally got it cleared. Those two trees gave me a fit, which I knew they would. Like I said, the loader does absolutely perfect for what it is. I asked too much of it. But after some digging around, I'm not sure exactly what kind of tree that is. The first one that I got the film of, I tell you, it's got a worse root system than that oak tree did. Might cut into it down here and let you guys have a look at it. See if you can tell me what. I think it's a walnut tree, some kind of walnut. But anyway, well, I got lucky in the first clip and the saw didn't pinch, but if I was a betting man, I'd say since I turned the camera back on a second time, I'm not gonna get that lucky. Let's see what we can do. Told you. Okay, I believe we'll wrap this one up for today. Technical difficulties with the chainsaw. Of course, you all got it stuck, which is no problem. I just picked up on it with a loader, but my muffler's loose. Thought it was getting a little loud. Allen screw there missing, so I'll see if I can find one of those. Again, if any of you's wondering, it's just 268 Husqvarna Professional. Got some kind of jankered up pull cord handle there. It was like that when I got it, but we're able to get a few firewood pieces cut up here. Got an old Homelight XL12 blue and white version. I think I might get it out and bring it down here tomorrow, but stump there, brush pile down there across the way. I still got that walnut tree or whatever it is, so we'll get that one on the next video. But anyway, just a little bit more here at the farm today. Like I said, I'll go over the field in the next video or two to show you a little bit more about exactly what my thought process is here, in case any of you hadn't watched the tour videos. But so far so good. I'm liking it, one step closer. So just wanted to say thank you all for watching. Thank you for the new subscribers that have come on board. Thank you to everybody that normally follows me and comments on all the stuff. I really appreciate that. Please consider subscribing if you haven't already. Thumbs up, like the video. Thumbs down if you don't, I understand. Leave a comment down below if nothing else to say hello or whatever. I'm still doing pretty good, I think, with answering all the comments so far, so just may have to give me an hour or two sometimes. It gets hectic, but anyway, thank you everybody. I really appreciate it. We'll see what happens the next day. Until next time, thank you.